So I've been dying to do this look for so long, and I think I've bought every matte yellow shadow out there. Just a little PSA.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there.
So don't mind me, I'm exhausted. I've already primed my eyes. I'm gonna go into my Sugar Pill palette. Look how pretty this is. I'm gonna go into this color right over here. This guy I'm just gonna buff into the crease. Not gonna be too much of a transition color because it's so light, but I'm gonna have my little Z palette. I'm going into MAC's Soft Brown. And this one I'm focusing right under that. And I am winging it out. The skin around my eyes is like so dry. So I feel like my blending sucks because of it. It's like especially dry right here in the inner corner and the outer corners. So if my blending looks messed up, blame the dry eyes. I'm going to take my MAC 221 brush and I'm going to go into that same color, and I just want to kind of really focus it in my crease. So I have so many yellow eyeshadows. I have this one from Makeup Forever. It's M402. I have the Maybelline Lemonade Crazed palette. There's a little yellow right there. And then I have the matte yellow from Sugar Pill. I think I'm going to kind of use a mixture of all of them. Let's see how this goes. I'm going to use the Makeup Forever shadow first. So it's not as bright as the Sugar Pill. So the Sugar Pill is like neon yellow. This one's like the perfect in-between yellow. And the Lemonade Craze yellow is like a tiny bit darker. So I have a Morphe pencil brush. The number has just disappeared on the brush. But I'm using this just to blend it into the colors that we already put on our lid. I am blending it directly into it so that the yellow is a little bit higher, because I do want this yellow to like feather out. So I'm just going to keep blending this yellow in until I've got my desired yellow on the eye. And now I'm going to go into the Lemonade Craze palette and use Lemonade Craze. And since this yellow is a little darker, we're just going to put it on the outer part of the eye. I really don't think that it's going to be much of a difference if you use just one of these yellows. I'll be quite honest with you. So don't think that you need to have all these yellows to create this, you guys. For eyeliner, I have this Dior Show Matte Yellow Eyeliner, which is the coolest thing ever. Look at it. So it has a little brush tip. Oh no, it is a felt tip. It's so like felty though that it feels like a brush tip. And of course the eyeliner always goes to shit on this eye. So now I'm going to apply some mascara, which is the Lancome Monsieur Bake. I really think that every time I say that, I think I'm French. I'm going to pop on my favorite lashes from Huda. These are the Samantha lashes, so I'll be right back.
Oh, you meant the world to me. I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town.
So guys, I watched Red Sparrow last night. I paid $20 for the movie because I was, you know, I wanted to see it originally in theaters, but You know those movies you just miss out on? That was one of them. I was so uncomfortable the entire time I watched the movie. And I think it's supposed to make you feel that way just because of what the movie's about. But I was also like so freaking confused the whole time watching the movie. I'm like, what is like actually going on? What is actually happening? I also have the new Marc Jacobs powder. Ooh, I am liking this a lot. I'm using the new Urban Decay Beached Bronzer in Bronze because I feel like this look just needs to go with the bronzed makeup. For blush, I'm using the NYX Powder Blush in Dusty Rose. Taking a tiny bit more of the Marc Jacobs Do You drops. I'm using the Becca Moonstone just to kind of bring out this highlight and also highlight around my eyes. For lips, I'm using these three guys. We're gonna do a super nude pinky pale lip. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it stops raining so I can get a good picture of this makeup because I love it so much. I actually think I'd probably wear it again. But I love you guys to the moon and back. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. If you try out this look, make sure to tag me or hashtag Beauty by Julia so that I can see your beautiful work. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to click the notification button and see the rest of my tutorials here. Bye guys.